In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Python on your computer. So to do so, you would open a browser, whether it's Safari on Mac or Chrome, let's say on Windows or Internet Explorer, doesn't really matter. And you would just type in Python into Google search. And then that would open these search results, and you would just have to click on this first one where it says welcome to python.org. This is a website where there's a lot of documentation about Python, and also this is where you can install Python on your computer. So normally, if you just click on downloads, it brings you to this page, and if you just click on this button, download Python, it will save the installer file on your computer. So if you're on Mac, then it's just going to be here. You just click on downloads, and then you have to locate it and click on it, and it will open up the installer. So I have it already installed, so I'm not going to install it again, but you would just follow the steps to install it. And then if you're on Windows, it's a very similar process. Again, you're going to download the installer and then just run the application, the installer, and it will install it on the computer. So this website has documentation as well about Python. And I mean, it's a good resource to learn things about it and how to use it. Now, once you have installed Python, to actually start using it, all you really have to do is, you might be able to just type Python and maybe it will come up. You could do this. You could actually type Python and then you see this Python launcher. If you click on it, this will actually bring something. It actually brings the preferences up. So that's not actually what you want to do. Instead, what you want to do is you want to just type in IDLE and then click on it. Okay, and it will open. Normally, it will just actually open this. Okay, so it will open this shell, and then if I want to create a file, let's say I want to just save a file, open a new file, I would just go to actually new file, and then normally you would want to save it right away. So you can go to file and save, or save as, and then you can select where you want to save it. You can really give it any name you want. So Python file and so on. Doesn't really matter. .py. But normally you do want to add this extension to the file name. You just click save, and it saves this file, and then you can enter code here. And then once you're ready to run the code, you would just go to run and then click run module. Okay. So I would say that's the easiest way to use Python, to install it on your computer. But there are other ways if you don't actually want to install it, or you don't have the permission to install it on the computer. And I'm going to show you that as well in a future video.